So in this video, we are finally going to discuss what are components in React.js, right? So for understanding this concept, we are taking example of this website. So as you can see on the screen, so here this is a section, right? In this section, we can see the four cards: first card, second card, third card, and fourth card, right? And the amazing thing I can see is the dimension of these cards are same, right? As you can see, the width and height of this card, and this card is same. The only thing that is getting changed here is the background image of all the cards is different than the text on the this in this item is different. Like here we can see water park and all that stuff. Here we can see buy one get one free, right? And one more thing, the description of this like this is also different, but we can see similarity that is between the font size and font family. The font size and font family of this text is same. So in this way we can clearly say that components are reusable things on the website, which we can write once and use many times by changing the content of the items or components dynamically. These are nothing but components. So components are nothing but reusable stuff on the website. So we can I have designed a simple React application, and now I will be showing how we can create component and how we can reuse it, and how we can dynamically pass the data in it, right? So for creating components, as you can see, I have created this folder that is offers, and in this offers folder I have two files, that is offer.js and offer.css, right? Offer.js is the file where I'll be writing the code for single component, right? So for creating components, we in React we have simple syntaxes. We have to write const, then we have to write offer, which is same name as that of this, right? So component is nothing but an arrow function in React.js, okay? So in this way we create arrow function. Now this component will return, what this will return is a simple div, right? And with a class name I have already created the style sheet of this. So in that I have given offer box, right, as the class name, okay? So now I have to import css file, that is this file, offer.css file, okay? So for that we have to write import dot slash offer.css. In this way we import the css, okay? So now we have to export this component. Now why we want to export this component? So that we can use it in the another files, okay? So export, this is a default export, okay? And we have to pass this name of this function as it is, okay? So now what we will do is I have created a section here. This is the container. Section is nothing but container, class name of offer container, and I have given here bootstrap styling as call 8 and mx auto. Call 8 means it will take 8 columns of a complete website, and mx auto means remaining columns will be auto adjusted and margins will be equally distributed, okay? Now if we want to, as I said, that we will write this component only once and display it 4 times. So for displaying it 4 times, what we'll do is here in JSX, for writing the JavaScript we have to insert this curly braces like this, okay? So in the curly braces we can write JavaScript. So I have created here array and given entry as 1 2 3 4, okay? And we have to map on this array. So I have map means in lame language for loop, okay? So we have to map, and in map we have a callback function which takes two parameters, that is the item means this one, 2, 3, 4. So each time when we loop we will get these items iteratively, right? And we get the second parameter as index. For each component we will pass here key property, which will have the index is 0 1 2 3 4 for uniquely identifying each component, right? Okay. And finally we will pass this 1 2 3 4 each item as an prop in this component, that is offer, so that we can dynamically change the content of that items, right? So we have to return this thing. Okay, now we will go to the offer component, and you will observe that I have given the name of this prop as item equal to item, right? So I have to grab this item prop like this. We say here as this is called a destructuring, right? So we destructured that item object, and now what we'll do is we will dynamically pass. So for dynamically passing, we introduce curly braces, right, for writing JavaScript, and we pass this item. Okay, so now if I go on my screen and see my React application, you can see this 1 2 3 4, right? These are nothing but individual components, and this data is getting dynamically passed with the help of props. Okay, so in this video I covered both the concept what are components and how we can pass the data dynamically from one component to another components, right? I hope you all understand this video. So do like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.